Hi dears, good morning to all. How are you? I hope all are fine. Have you eaten breakfast? Okay, how's your vacation? I hope all of you enjoyed maximum. Have you played football? Okay, then how's your online classes? It's also going well. Okay, my name is Farid. You have already known me. Then I am your new SS teacher, social studies teacher. Okay, in this book we had 8 chapters in social studies. Okay, we can begin with our first chapter. Our first chapter name is India, our country. Yes, very good. First chapter name is India, our okay. Our first chapter name is India, our country. All of you take page number 203. Our chapter starts from page number 203. Okay, we can discuss something about our country, our motherland, India. Okay, anybody know how many states in our country, India? Anybody? How many states in our country? Yes, India is a vast country with 28 states and 9 union territories. India is a vast country with 28 states and 9 union territories. Okay, India is located in the southern part of Asian continent. India is located in Asian continent. Am I right? Yes, India is located in the southern part. Okay, first point is India is located in the southern part of Asian continent. Okay, India is located in the southern part of Asian continent. Okay, and second point, India is the 7th largest country in the world. India is the 7th. India is the 7th largest country in the world in the case of geographical area. Okay, India is the 7th largest country in the world in the case of geographical area. Second point. And third point, India is the 2nd largest country in the world in the case of population. India is the 2nd. Okay, 2nd largest in the case of population. Okay, India is the 7th largest country in the world in the case of geographical area, and India is the 2nd largest country in the world in the case of population. Okay, which is the largest country in the world? Anybody know which is the largest country? Okay, Russia. Russia is the largest country in the world. All of you note down, Russia is the largest country. We can discuss others. Second one is Canada. In the case of geographical area, Russia is the largest country, Canada is the 2nd largest country, and third one is China, and fourth one is America, and fifth one is Brazil, and sixth one is Australia. Okay, in the case of geographical area, India is the 7th largest country in the world, and the first largest country in the world is Russia. Okay, second one is Canada, third one is China. Okay, then fourth one is America, and fifth one is Brazil, and the sixth one is Australia. Clear? Okay. And in the case of, we said that in the case of population, India is the second largest country in the world. Which is the largest country in the world in the case of population? Yes, it's China. And second one is our country, India. In India, how many people are living there? What's the population of our country, India? Anybody know? How many crores people are living in our country, India? Yes, very good. There is 139 crores. 139 crores people are living in our country, India. Okay, did you understand it? First one, we said that India is located in the southern part of Asian continent, and India is the 7th largest country in the world, and India is in second largest country in the world in the case of population. Okay, next we can discuss some more. How many states? We had already said that in India there is 28 states and 9 union territories. 28 states and 9 union territories are there. Okay, clear? Next, which is the largest state? Yes, very good. Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the largest state. And which is the smallest state? Yes, Goa is the smallest state. All of it. Rajasthan is the largest one, and Goa is the smallest one. Okay, rough note. Rajasthan is the largest state in our country, India, and Goa is the smallest state. Okay, understand. Next, which is the capital of our country, India? Yes, very good. Which? New Delhi. Which is the capital of our Kerala? Anybody know which is the capital of our Kerala? Yes, it's Trivandrum. Next, New Delhi is the capital of our country, India. Okay, first of all, we discussed that India is located in the southern part of Asian continent, and India is the 7th largest country in the world, and India is the 2nd largest country in the world in the case of population. And the largest state in our country, India, is Rajasthan, and the smallest state is Goa, and capital of our country, India, is New Delhi. Okay, it's clear. It's an introduction part. All of you understand? Okay, all of you note down. Next we are going to our chapter. All of you take page number 203. Let's go. Are you ready? Okay. What kind of a place do you live in? Pick your choice. In first way, we can see a column, a yellow column. All of you listen there. What kind of a place do you live in? Pick your choice. Okay, in which type of area you are living, you can tick in there. Okay. First one, A, hilly or mountainous area. If you are living in a hilly or mountainous area, you can tick in there. Okay, and B, a hot, dry desert area. If you are living in a desert area, you can tick in there. Okay, C, island. If you are living in an island, you can tick in there. And D, near a forest. If you are living near a forest, you can tick in there. E, near a seashore. If you are living in near a seashore or near a sea, you can tick in there. Next one, F, plain or flat land. If you are living in a plain or flat land area, you can tick in there. Okay, clear? What if we tick now? Did you getting my words? If you had any doubts, you can just say to your class teacher. Okay. What if you tick? What kind of a place do you live in? Okay. Next we can go to our chapter. Let's go. Okay. India is a land of many geographical features. In India, there is different types of geographical features are there. Okay. In India, there is different types of geographical features. Wide varieties of geographical features are there. Okay. It has huge areas of flat land. In India, there is flat lands are there and fertile plains. In India, there is fertile plains and high snow-clad mountains. Okay, in India there is flat lands are there, fertile plains are there, and high snow-clad mountains are there. Different lands are in our country, India. Okay, it has small and big rivers. In India there is how many rivers? Yes, very good. There is 44 rivers in our country, India. There is 44 rivers in our country, India, like Brahmaputra, Ganga, Yamuna, Satluj. Likewise, in India there is 44 big and small rivers are there. Okay, clear. Next, it has dry and hot desert. In India there is dry and hot desert are there, like Sahara. Mainly in Gujarat, as many deserts are there. Okay, and dense green forest. In India there is very dense green forest are there. Okay, there are plateaus. In India there is plateaus, there is coast, there is islands. 3 of them are available in our country, India. Okay, India also has a great variety of plant and animal life. In India there is different types of wide varieties of plants are there, animals are there, many different types of animals we can see in our country, India. Am I right? Yes, if you are going to museum and if you are going to forest area, we can see different types of varieties of wild animals. Okay. Next, the people of India speak different languages and follow different religions. In India, same peoples are speaking different languages. In Kerala, we are speaking Malayalam. In Tamil Nadu, they are speaking Tamil. And in Assam, they are speaking Assami language. Okay, peoples are speaking different languages. Inside a stage, there peoples are speaking different languages. Okay, all of you know. Then peoples follow different religions. We are Muslims. Our neighbors are, Paul Matthew is Christian, our country is from Hindu. Okay, in India, inside our country, India, and inside our state, there is different types of peoples are living in different religion. Okay. Next, they do not eat same thing. In India, we are eating different types of foods. That is 28 states and the different peoples are eating different types of food. All are eating same food? No, very good. Peoples are eating different food. Okay, or dress alike. We don't dress alike. The peoples in different states are wearing different types of dresses. Inside state also peoples are wearing different types of dresses. Am I right? Yes, you already know everything. Okay, there is different types of plants are there, animals are there, people are dressing separately and people are speaking different types of languages, everything you already know. Okay. Then we should always remember that there is unity in diversity because we are proud to be called ourselves Indians. There is unity in diversity. I said that there is everything diverse, everything different, but there is unity. In our country, India, there is unity in diversity. Everything is different. India is different from other countries. Everything is different, but there is unity in diversity. Everything is diverse, but there is unity. We all are one. That's why we proud to be called ourselves as Indians. Yes, am I right? Everything is different, but there is unity in diversity. That's why all of you proud to be ourselves called Indians. We are Indians. Say, we are Indians. Again, we are Indians. We proud to be called as that. Okay. Next, India is divided into 6 natural regions. It's an important part of our chapter. It's the smallest and the simplest chapter in this book, Social Studies. Okay, next we are going to studying about 6 natural regions. Just erase it. All of you understand it? India is located in the southern part of Asia and 7th largest country in the world, 2nd largest country in the world in the case of population, and there is 29 states and 9 union territories. Rajasthan is the largest one, Goa is the smallest one, and New Delhi is the capital of our country, India. Okay, clear? Next we are going to study about natural regions. Physical divisions or natural regions. First one is northern mountains. First one is northern mountains. Say, first one is northern mountains. Say again. First one is northern mountains. First one. Okay. Second one is northern plains. Second one is northern plains. First one is northern mountains. Second one is northern plains. Clear? Now third one is Great Indian Desert. Third one is Great Indian Desert. First one is northern mountains. Second one is northern plains. Third one is Great Indian Desert. Third one is Great Indian Desert. Clear? Okay. And fourth one is Southern Plateaus. Southern Plateaus. Fourth one is Southern Plateaus. Southern Plateaus. Say Southern Plateaus. And fifth one is Coastal Plains. Fifth one is Coastal Plains. Fifth one is Coastal Plains. First one is northern mountains. Second one is northern plains. Third one is Great Indian Desert. And fourth one is Southern Plateaus. And fifth one is Coastal Plains. And the last and sixth one is islands. Okay, last one is islands. Clear? First one is northern mountains, very important one. Okay, first one is northern mountains. Second one is northern plains. Third one is Great Indian Desert. And fourth one is Southern Plateaus. And the fifth one is Coastal Plain. And the sixth one is islands. All of you say. First one is northern plains. Second one is first one is northern mountains. And the second one is northern plains. Very good. Third one is Great Indian Desert. And the fourth one is Southern Plateaus. And the fifth one is Coastal Plains. And the sixth one is islands. Okay, it's very important part of our chapter. Okay, all of you clear? I think all of you understand. If you had any difficulties or if you had any doubts, you can just say to your class teacher, okay? And class teacher will inform me. Then again, it's the first chapter. Chapter name is India, our country. We discuss some important matters of our country, India. India is the 7th largest country in the world. India is in the case of geographical area, and India is the 2nd largest country in the world in the case of population, and India is located in the southern part of Asian continent, and Rajasthan is the largest state in our country India, and Goa is the smallest state in our country India, and New Delhi is the capital of our country India. And next we studied about the physical features or the natural regions of our country India. Okay, first one is northern mountains, second one is northern plains, third one is the Great Indian Desert, and the fourth one is southern plateaus, and the fifth one is coastal plains, and the last one is islands. Clear? Okay, and we said that everything is different. In India, different things are going on, but there is unity. Unity in diversity. Everything is diverse. That's no matter. There is unity. We all are one. That's why we proud to be called ourselves as Indians. Okay, I'm going to concluding my words. Thus, lastly, you can take the next page. Page number 204. There we can see a outline map of our country India. Okay, all of you get your textbook. Okay, there is an outline map of our country India. Thus marked with different colors the regions. First one, northern mountains. Okay, first one is northern mountains in a grey color, and in the light green color there is northern plains, and there is plateaus, and there is in light blue color there is coastal plains, and there is in yellow color desert, and there is islands, the Lakshadweep Island and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Okay, all of you see. And thus let us recall physical divisions of our country India. Thus we had discussed it earlier. Northern mountains, northern plains, Great Indian Desert, southern plateaus, coastal plains and islands. Okay, all of you understand the chapter? Once again I am saying, if you had any doubts or if you can't catch my words, you can just say to your class teacher, just inform to your class teacher. Okay, clear? Next we are going to exercise. There is 3-part exercise divided into 3 parts. Answer the following question, write true or false and fill in the blanks. Okay, first of all we can go to our answer the following. A. The first one, name 3 types of geographical features of our country India. We had discussed firstly which are the geographical features. Okay, write 23 types of geographical features of our country India. ഓക്കെ, ഇന്ത്യയുടെ ഭൂമിശാസ്ത്രപരമായിട്ടുള്ള ഏതെങ്കിലുമൊക്കെ 3 പ്രത്യേകതകൾ എഴുതാൻ. അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ്? ആൻഡ് സെക്കൻഡ് വൺ, വാട്ട് ആർ ദ 6 natural regions of our country? I said earlier that it is the important one. We had discussed it. The natural regions or physical divisions of our country India, which are the 6 physical divisions or natural regions of our country India. Let's write it. Okay, and B, write T for true statement and F for false statement, right? True or false? Okay, first one, India has many small and big rivers. If India there is small and big rivers are there, you can put T. If there is no, you can put F. Okay, ഇന്ത്യയിൽ ചെറുതും വലുതുമായിട്ടുള്ള ഒരുപാട് നദികളുണ്ട്. ശരിയാണെങ്കിൽ ടി എന്നിടുക, തെറ്റാണെങ്കിൽ എഫ് ഇടുക. Okay, second one, India is divided into 5 natural regions. If India is divided into 5 natural regions, you can put T. If not that type of not divided into 5 regions, you can put F. Okay, next one, India has 2 kinds of plains. In India there is 2 kinds of plains, southern and coastal. It's southern and coastal. If it's right statement, you can put T. If it's false, you can put F. Okay, അത് ശരിയാണെങ്കിൽ ശരി ടി എന്നിടുക, തെറ്റാണെങ്കിൽ എന്തിടുക, ഫാൾസ് എന്നിടുക. Okay, understand? Next, C, fill in the blanks. First one, the 2 groups of islands in India are in the Bay of Bengal and dash in the Arabian Sea. The 2 groups of islands in our country India is located in the Bay of Bengal and which is located in the Arabian Sea. 2 groups of islands. Okay, first one is that, you can just fill it. And second one, high snow-clad mountains found in dash of India. High snow-clad mountains are found in the which part of our country India? Just fill it. And most part of South India is dash. Most part of our South India is covered with dash. You can fill it. Okay, clear? Is there any doubts? You can just ask. Then, did you understand? Okay. Next class, there is a project. All of you want to do that. Draw a map of your school, divide it in different regions and color each in different color. You can draw a map of our school and you can point out the buildings in the map in different colors. There is masjid and there is different buildings are there. This building and KG and there is LP and UP. You can mark it with different colors. Okay, it's one homework for you, and another homework for you is that your exercise. You want to do all questions. Okay, and send in WhatsApp. Okay. Is there any doubts? You can just ask. No problem. Then I am going to concluding the class. I think all of you understand. Then that's all I am saying, that if you had any doubts and if you had any unclear part, you can just say to your class teacher. Okay. Then all of you send the homeworks in WhatsApp. Then I am hoping that it's very difficult to study in video classes and in the online classes. All of you pray to God to start our class as early as possible. Okay, thank you. Assalamu alaikum.